How to contact the Shein customer service. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we will touch on two methods by which you can send a feedback or directly contact the Shein customer service. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you launch the application and give the correct credentials. Once that is done, next option would be go to the Me or a Profile section. From there, tap on the settings or the gear icon. Here, you must see the option Rating and Feedback. Tap on it. Tapping on it should take you to another page from where you can give a feedback into the customer service. So you can write in whatever your problem is related to, and it should be sent to the contact or the customer service. So this is one way to do so. Likewise, if you want to chat with the customer service representative, in that case you can go back to the main page, and under my orders you must see the option of support. It is with a headset icon. Tap on it. Tapping on it should take you to another page where there are hundreds of ready-made answers. You can tap on the problem that you're facing, and after that you can read all of the solutions provided. However, if you're not yet convinced and want to contact the Shein customer service, you can go for the customer service AI bot. For this, just tap on the questions and then tap on contact customer service. This should redirect you to the page of the AI or customer service. And this way, you should be able to get the reply from the customer service. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.